Hi, this is Katelyn Liu, and today I'll be walking you through the 6th grade worksheets for lesson 28. So the first worksheet should have gotten asked us to add and subtract integers and also to show our work. So if we look at this one, since adding and subtracting are basically synonymous, you can move the numbers around in a way that works best for you. For example, we can move the 4 over here and rewrite it as 11 minus 4, and do that first because we know that equals 7. Now you have 7 minus 15, or 7 plus minus 15, which is also just means 7 minus 15. Now if we think 7 on a number line, you have 0, this is 7, and this is negative 15, or 7, right? And you want to go back 15, which means you're going to be in the negative numbers. So it's going to be the negative of 15 minus 7, which is 8, so it's negative 8. For number 2, we're looking at, when you see two minus signs, you always change it to a plus sign. So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 plus 18 is equal to 29. Pretty easy. Same thing here, when you see a plus and a minus sign, you turn it to negative. So 112 minus 14 is equal to 98, plus 17 is equal to 115, and minus 17, which is back to 98. Now, if you see a plus 17 and a minus 17, you know they cancel out because 17 minus 17 is automatically 0. So, in this one, you can reorder this as an 18 minus 17. Just switch these two around. Plus 5, which gives us 1, plus 5, which gives us 6. In this case, this becomes a negative, so 42 minus 30 is equal to 12, plus 7 is equal to 19. And in this last one, this equals a minus 5, plus 6 is equal to 65, minus 45 would equal 20. There we go. The second page asks us to write out the equations numerically and then solve for the variable. So first one, 11 minus t is equal to 60. So the variable is t, and so what we want to do is minus the 11 from both sides. Negative t would be equal to 49. Now, we want t, not negative t. So negative t is also equal to negative 1 times t, and the opposite of the inverse operation of multiplication is division, so you want to divide by negative 1, which effectively cancels out the negative and gives us t equals 49. So 74 added to 93 equals x minus 4. So we can add 4 on both sides, and now 4 plus 93 is equal to 167, plus 4 equals 171. X is equal to 171. Okay. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. So this one, let's see. Multiple choice practice. I'm going to do number 2. At a concert, there are 120 rows of seats in each section with 50 seats in each row. How many sections are there if there are 42,000 seats in total? So 120 rows of seats. Okay, 120 times 50, which gives us 0 and 0, 6100 seats per section. So now we want to do 42,000 divided by 6,100. Now you can take off 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here, so we have 420 divided by 61, which should make it easier. Now, let's see. If we do 6 here, actually, it'd be 7. It'd be 7 sections. on the last page here, it says, one person from a cast of a musical has a chance at random to be chosen to participate in a big production. There are 46 people in the cast. What is any one person's chance of getting to big production? So the key numbers that we're looking here is 46, which is the total, and one person. There's only one person. So whenever you're doing probability or chance, you want to put the number that is being selected over the total number. So only one person is going to be selected out of 46 people, and that's your probability. And technically you could make this into a percentage, which would make a lot more sense if you think about it as a probability, but this is also the correct answer.